Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the volume of the output voice on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this emoji or smiley button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the app settings section and click on the first category, voice. Scroll down a bit to the output section, and as you can see, there's a slide in which you can indicate the volume of the output voice. So tap on this button and drag it to the relevant position indicating the volume. As you can see, if you need help with voice or video, you should click on this troubleshooting guide button, and then you will get help how to set the volume. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.